What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a new pickup, Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cloud White. Got them on release date. I got my tag still on there. I won these from Finish Line, and I also got through on Adidas with their little raffle where they automatically charge your card. So I already speed up the process. I already took the shoes out the box. So let's go ahead and get into it. On the front, of course, you got your label with your size, your name of your shoe, description of your shoe, your barcode, made by Adidas. Pull out insert box. On the top it says 350. On the side it says Boost. This is the pull out part. It says Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Go ahead and put these up here. Let you see these. Now, it's just beautiful. Like, I was completely surprised when they pulled them out the box and showed me these. One, because I thought they were white. Of course, they're called Cloud White, but even on the app they look white, but they're way more flyer in person. They're like a baby blue, maybe a light baby blue, which is still my favorite color. So I'm in love with these. Again, on the toe box all the way up, got two different patterns on the shoe, nothing new. On the side you got the clear strip that's been there since they did the statics. Again, two different patterns, top and bottom. The sole, white. On the back, you see the little cream or the beige, whatever color you want to call it, strip that it always has. Again, two different patterns. Actually, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 different patterns right there on the back. That's on the whole shoe that way. And of course, like always, because it's a fabric shoe, little to no flaws. Can't see any glue or anything like that. That makes it very good. How you say, that makes the quality perfect versus Jordans or Nikes where you can see glue stains. I even had Jordans that I bought that was separating fresh out the box from the store, and I had to replace them. Of course, they're still factory lace and they're gonna stay like that for a while. In the back on your heel, you got your 3 stripes that's reflective. On the inside, on the sole, it says Adidas Yeezy in white. I don't know if you can see that, probably a bad angle. Then you got your hang tag, Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Originals, your product number, your barcode. This is a US size 11, and they give you your other sizes in different countries. Flip it over. I don't know what that means, never have. And then turn these around to the back. Of course, now the 350s are coming without a pull tab on the back, and it's been like that for a while. Then flip these up so you can see the bottom, icy white Boost. And then it's kind of hard to tell. Like I said, that beige, that tan strip it always have, this bottom is tan. It's real hard because that white on the sole and that tan is very close. It's hard to tell them apart. But all in all, I think this is the best one yet. I mean, might be racist, but or biased, however you say it, but this is my color. I'm very satisfied with them. He did a good job with this color. I hope he come with all the way baby blue sole and everything. But put that to an end. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.